Guys, today we are making mango ice cream. Get the whipping cream and whip it till stiff peaks or semi. Add 1 cup sugar. Add 250 grams of condensed milk and mix it. Half cup milk powder. Beat it with an electric beater. Refrigerate the whipping cream mixture for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, add mango pulp and whisk it. For the market look, add some orange food color. With that, add yellow food color. Refrigerate for 6 to 8 hours in the freezer. Then it is ready to serve. Enjoy your mango ice cream. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel Siddha Can Cook. Thanks for watching.